By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set up a SIP trunk on Twilio to transfer your numbers to Retell. A SIP trunk is how telephony systems communicate with each other, like Twilio with Retell. But instead of phone numbers, it uses URLs, just like the address you see on your search bar when you're on a website. That way, if somebody calls your voice agent's number, which exists in Twilio, Twilio can tell Retell, hey, this is my phone number, you may answer. And then Retell will take care of connecting the voice agent to that phone call. There's a lot of things happening in the background, so let me make it very simple for you in this step-by-step tutorial. My name is Alejo, co-founder of Amplify Voice, where we build voice agent systems for medium-sized companies. If you want to become a better builder, come join our school community where we really deep dive into these topics, and I'll help you build and sell better voice agents. Or maybe you have a project that you need help with. In that case, click the Work With Me link below, and me and my team will be happy to help you. Now let's figure out this whole SIP trunk thing. So I just logged into my Twilio account. Keep in mind, this works for pretty much any provider, Telnix, Vonage, or anything else you want to use. But most people use Twilio. So what we're going to do is search for the word SIP, and Elastic SIP Trunk is going to show up. Elastic SIP Trunk. You're going to select that, and it's going to take you to a dashboard like this one, but empty. We have several SIP trunks set up, and a SIP trunk has three very simple components: a name, a termination, which is your URL or what is replacing your phone number, and an origination, which is what system this phone number is communicating to. In this case, is going to be Retell. You see LiveKit here because that's the system that Retell uses in order to set up their telephony systems. And you're just going to click on Create New SIP Trunk. First, we're going to enter a recognizable name for your SIP trunk. Let's say Amplify Voice Tutorial SIP Trunk, so I know exactly what this SIP trunk is for. And trust me, it's so easy to get overwhelmed with this, so I want to make it very simple for you. The only things you need to care about is, number one, call transfer. We're going to turn this on to enabled. Number two, to finish enabling that call transfer, we're going to click the checkbox, enable PSTN transfer. Then we're going to ignore the rest and click save. Once you save, you should see a notice up at the top. Step 3, we're going to go to termination. Step 4, we're going to enter a termination SIP URI. Usually I just use the same exact name as the friendly name for the SIP trunk, but it has to be written like a URL. So in this case, av-tutorial-sip-trunk. To says that URL is available. Just like two different websites can't have the same address, SIP trunk URLs have to be unique. If you have a region different than the US, we're going to be able to change this later. Step number 5, we're going to scroll down to where it says credential lists, and we're going to add a new credential. You have to remember this username and password, so please save them somewhere secure. Keep in mind the password has to be those types of complicated passwords, like minimum of 12 characters, a digit in different types of cases. Please do remember to save it somewhere safe, because you're going to need it in order to connect it to Retell. Then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit save. You should get a notice that this was successfully updated. Step number 6, we're going to go to origination. For step 7, we're going to click on add new origination URL. And now we need this. And where we get this is from whatever system you're trying to connect to. In this case, we want to connect to Retell. So we're going to go to docs.retell.ai.com. And it's going to send you to a page like this one. And we're just going to search for telephony. And right there, Retell SIP server URL or URI. And you need to copy all of it, including the SIP colon. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it right here, and then I just hit save. This is going to save automatically, so you don't need to hit save again. Step number 8, we're going to go to numbers. And step number 9 is add a number. You can add an existing number or buy a new number. In this case, I'm just going to buy a new number, random one, buy, and now I'm going to go to add an existing number. I'm just going to select the number I just bought, add selected, and now my phone number is connected to the SIP trunk. So somebody can call this phone number, and Twilio is going to tell Retell, hey, I'm receiving a call to this phone number. But actually, we're not done yet. We're done on the Twilio side, but we now have to connect it directly to Retell. How we do that is in your Retell account, you will go to phone numbers. We're going to click on the plus to add a number and connect to your number via SIP trunk. So step 10 is filling out these details that we already had. The phone number, the termination URL. Sometimes it pastes with some blank space at the beginning, so make sure you don't have any blank space there. And then your username and password that you chose. So we're gonna add all the details that we have already added. We're gonna add a nickname so we can identify this number after we've imported it, and we're gonna hit save. And now you're all set to make and receive calls to this Twilio phone number. A lot of the times, these systems have a lot going on in the background, and it can be overwhelming. I mean, it took us 10 steps to just connect one phone number. But now the SIP trunk is already created, and you can just add numbers to that same SIP trunk. And the reality, it's 10 very simple steps. No coding, just choosing names and copy pasting. And a lot of what we do in Voice AI can be overwhelming. So if you want to dive deeper, come learn in community with us in our school community, where we host 4 live events every week, and where there's people of all kinds of backgrounds getting clients and delivering for those clients. But maybe you have a brilliant idea and you don't want to build it yourself. So if you want me to work on your project, click the Work With Me link below, where you can submit a project or book a one-on-one consultation. I'm excited to meet you and help you build better voice agents. My name is Alejo, and as I always tell you, remember to never stop prompting. See you on the next one.